Una welcome to a brand new Ogbonge episode of our Ogbonge show, One Question with Gigi. I remain your humble girl, Gigi. Today we don come with another ground shaking matter, table shaking tori. Tori wey be say you go feel am now. But before we enter the matter of today, abeg make una no forget to like our page for YouTube and for Facebook. Make una no forget to subscribe, make una no forget to follow because we need una to take grow. So today the matter wey we go dey talk about na im be vexation, angry, anger. Now understand wetin I mean? To dey vex. Dat vexation so the matter e long o, e just dey pain me say we get small time to take talk about am. But you see vexation na the thing wey be say person go do you something wey you no like, you go come just react, you go come just dey vex, dey throway smoke, dey break bottle, dey shout, dey shake everywhere because you don vex, your spirit don vex. You understand? Because the thing e pain you, you feel say that person don fuck up and you gats treat the person fuck up. Na im be vexation. You see dis vexation thing, e don cause trouble for plenty places for different people. E don make brother kill brother, e don make friend kill friend. E don scatter friendship, e don scatter love, e don scatter marriages, e don scatter homes. Dis vexation thing. So no be small matter. You fit look am say na small matter. You go just see person go tell person say I dey vex for you. Dem get different types and different degree of vexation. Person wey dey quick talk say im don vex, small thing like dis you don vex, small thing like dis you don dey paranoid, small thing like dis you don break bottle. No be so life be o. For me, I go tell you say all those people their mind never grow. Because if your mind don grow, na small thing no fit make you vex because you don see things, you don see people don do you things. Wetin dey dis level person dey vex for? Some people go come just vex reach say dem go dey keep things for mind against their brothers, their sisters, their friend. Person wey be say na person for their body, dem go still dey hold matter against the person. Wetin? Vexation, angry, anger, small thing like dis. So one question today remain, wetin be your own thinking about dis thing wey dem dey call vexation, anger? Wetin you feel say e suppose be like? How you feel say person suppose take handle the situation, handle matter wey vex you? How you suppose take handle am? And which kind matter suppose vex you? So today we really wan hear una opinion. Make una no forget to leave una comment for our comment section. Make una no forget to share o, make una no forget to like. So make una remain coolele for where una dey until we meet again next week Sunday. I remain your girl Gigi. Bye.